Transylvania, home of the bloodthirsty vampire. Only one soul is brave enough to walk the dark streets of this spooky town. Wally Van Walrus, Vampire Hunter.
I don't want to hunt vampires. They're scary.
Stop being such a baby.
Oh, fine. Where is the vampire?
He lives in that creepy mansion on the hill.
Why does it always have to be creepy?
Because he's a vampire. Now get up there and don't ruin my story.
I always get the bossy narrators. Hello, Mr. Vampire. I'm here to hunt you. The door is locked. Let me out. Don't come any closer, vampire. I have garlic. Bread. Vampires hate garlic. Back, scary guy. Back. Huh? What the? Ooh, I have something else that stops vampires. A steak. Take that, and that, and that. Wait, this is my lunch bag, not my vampire hunting bag. Oh, you drank my juice box. What do you think you're doing? You can't hypnotize me. Oh, where did he go? I can sense him. Where are you? Are you biting my neck? I don't feel anything. No, I don't feel even a teensy bite. Oh my goodness! I am invincible to your biting! Wait! You cannot steal! Oh! All right, vampire, get ready for some fisticuffs. This suit is vampire-proof. Yeah! Look at me. I'm a nightlight. I'm okay. You're not okay.
Wally Van Walrus paced the dark streets, trying to think of a way to defeat the vampire.
But how?
The answer was literally staring him in the face.
Wait, it is? Is it this?
Seriously? Fine. The tanning bed. Vampires can only be stopped by the sun.
But there's no sun in a tanning bed.
Just take that tanning bed up to the vampire and give it to him.
Knock, knock. Hello, vampire I have never met before. You have won a free tanning bed.
Ooh.
It's guaranteed to make you look like a movie star. Observe. Ooh, look at me. I am literally the shade of celebrities. Burn, vampire, burn. What? You're not burned. Sunscreen? Oh, you tricked me. Oh my, I smell delicious. Wait, what is that look of hunger in your eyes? Oh, isn't that cute? He's hypnotizing me with his adorable little vampire eyes. There, I can't look away. Well, if you can't beat them, join them. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm okay. Not okay.
Don't go away. I'll be back soon with another cartoon.
Chica! 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 No! Walter chili. No, me chica. What the tika?
And I'm the pet. We'll create an avalanche!
Oh! Tika-poo!
Don't go away. I'll be back soon with another cartoon.
You want me to homeschool the kids, Winnie? Are you out of your mind? Have you met me? Why not Wally?
He's on vacation.
Chili?
Dentist appointment.
Buzz?
Seriously, Buzz. He teaches them how to rob a bank.
That's a valuable life skill.
I'll do it. If only to keep the kids out of jail.
Pretty low bar, but you're my only choice.
Okay, Uncle Woody. Fill our empty heads with knowledge.
Well, I doubt you'll heal before Winnie gets home, but if you insist.
Not really, Uncle Woody.
Well, I don't keep anything intelligent around the house, on principle. But here's my old science kit. I wonder if I can get this thing to go nuclear again. Aw, man, I guess not. Either way, it'll still be good to teach you kids some solid knowledge. Okay, kids, first lesson, instructions. You know what they're good for? Nothing. Ow! Those instructions are hard.
What do you think this will do? Maybe we should wait for Uncle Woody. Nah. Cool. Not cool! Not cool!
Remember when I said don't read instructions? Scratch that.
One from column A, two from column B.
Anyone feel like anything happened?
Oh, I don't know. I feel hungry.
Me too.
I love that Uncle Woody never gives up, even when he fails miserably.
Listen, kids, if I'm going down hard.
I bet that's the first time you ever used this bathtub, Uncle Woody.
More of a bird bath kind of guy.
Oh, that's vaguely alarming.
Oh, what's it doing? It's alive! It's alive! Oh boy, it's alive.
Okay, upgrading alarming from vaguely to totally.
Oh, hey, watch it!
We're cornered in the corner.
You see, kids, this is why I don't like homework. Oh, hold on a second there. You can't eat me. I'm your father. And everyone knows eating dads gives you indigestion. Now it's personal. Come on, kids. Let's take this blob to school.
I can't move, Uncle Woody. Yeah, this equipment is way too heavy.
Well, we don't have to use the equipment. I just thought it would be cooler that way. But if you guys want to ruin it... Which way do you think the critter went?
Gee, I wonder. No, let's see. That might have been a poor choice of words.
Saved your butt!
How are we gonna stop this monster?
You guys need a plan.
We need a plan.
I'm not the student. You're the student. So stewed.
If we use you as bait, we can...
Why am I the bait? You be the bait.
I'm older. Look, I don't make the rules. That's just how it is. Anyway, once it's flat, we grab the plunger and...
You be the bait.
Fine, fine. I'll fix everything. You're welcome. Think, Woodpecker, think. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna... Genius! Nya, 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 nya. You can't get me.
That shouldn't even be possible, Uncle Woody.
Admit it, Uncle Woody. You didn't plan that.
Why label it? Let's just say I'm a genius and be done with it.
Hi, kids. How's your day been?
It was really boring and completely uneventful.
We also have a new appreciation for science. I thought you kids might be hungry after all your studying, so I made your favorite. I find sometimes it's better to just not ask.
Don't go away. I'll be back soon with another cartoon.
Warner jumps on the patrol boat with a mighty belly flop.
Hey, guys, check it out. Aren't you impressed?
Not really, Uncle Woody. We're busy copying luchador moves.
You know, I used to be a great wrestler back in the day. They called me the Crimson Crest!
You were a wrestler?
You bet your bippy I was a wrestler. Let me show ya. I was famed the world over.
Wow. Could you beat him?
You, let's wrestle.
Well, you know I was pretty good in my day, fella. They called me Flabberlanche.
He's wearing a championship belt.
Oh, yeah? Well, I don't care how many belts you have, Wally. There's no way you could beat me. No way.
Oh, I think I give you a run for your money.
I hope you like riding the elevator, because you're about to go down! Take that, and that, and that! You're more wiry than I expected. Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Hey, Woody, I'm over here.
I can't see out of this mask.
I'm gonna rearrange your neck! Double Don't have kids.
Rude. Do your worst, Woodpecker.
Headlock! Armbar!
Go.
Uncle Woody, when you said you were a great wrestler, did you mean like you were great at losing?
Because Wally is kicking your tail feathers.
Well, let's see how he likes it when I give him
The flying beak!
I'm way too small to beat that girth. I need more volume. That's it. Hairspray with more volume. What? You thought this do did itself?
Hairspray surprise!
Wally, we forgot to shake hands before the fight.
How rude of me. Put her there. goes the woodpecker.
Wow, he's really wiping the floor with Uncle Woody.
I am Compilation.
Hot dogs! Get your victory hot dogs here!
Ooh, I want a victory hot dog. You gave me the hot dogs, I'll give you the buns.
Oh, you've been flabbergasted! Hooray!
You kids are rooting for Wally? But I'm your uncle.
Sorry, it's just Wally's really good. And you're kinda stinky.
Oh, yeah?
Oh! But wait! The Crimson Crest does an amazing reversal to take down Flabberland!
What? What reversal? I am the winning one.
Well, if the announcer said it, you better do it.
That makes sense to me.
What's this? Flabberland just starts hitting himself! And now the Crimson Crest twists Flabberland's leg into a pretzel!
Oh, look! It's a pretzel! Wait a minute! That's my leg! No!
I told you I could beat Wally. Never bet against Woody Woodpecker.
Now it's time for my finishing move, Lightning Kite! Whoa! That outcome was shocking.
1, 2, 3, you're out!
Ha-ha! I pinned him!
No, you did not! Give me back my belt!
It's my belt!
You ruined my belt!
Easy, big fella. You wouldn't hit a guy with glasses, would you? Wrong kind of glasses.
So, Wally's still the champ then?
Yep, I guess you could say I buckled under pressure. No.
Don't go away. I'll be back soon with another cartoon.
Nothing opens up the old factories like firing up some sizzling steaks. Huh? Hey, lazy good-for-nothing grill. I've had snow cones hotter than you. Well, that meal bombed. Now how am I gonna cook all this steak?
Boom! And now it's time for me, celebrity TV chef Fella Ferretti, to show you how to grill up my famous ground and pound lentil loaf. Booyah!
Ooh, that guy has a grill. Perfect.
This lentil loaf will get you a one-way ticket to the Chow train. Whoa, whoa!
Excuse me, Chow. I'm trying to get to the Chow train.
Hey, you just derailed the Chow train.
Trust me, it was a train wreck before I got here.
Hey, look, I'm filming my TV show here.
Ooh, the camera loves me, and I love it back.
Beat it, bub. I have cheese to slice.
No worries, I'll cut the cheese.
Ew, oh, my. Oh.
Now that the cheese is cut, make with the cookage and whip me up some burgers.
I'm not cooking any meat. I'm a vegetarian.
A vegetarian? Oh, can you take a look at this little mole on my back?
Hey, what's up?
I'm not a veterinarian, I'm a vegetarian, and I do not eat meat.
So, you've never had cotton candy covered in bacon?
This woodpecker's brain is experiencing technical difficulties. Now listen, I only eat plants, nuts, and berries.
What if I told you this steak's name was Barry?
I'm a vegetarian, son. Meat ain't in the mix.
Time to give that chef his just desserts.
right, everyone. Now it's time to prepare my hosta pasta, because you just has to eat it. You put sausage in my hosta pasta.
I guess you has to eat it.
But I can't eat sausage.
All right, fair enough. Hey, pop quiz. What kind of chilies are these?
Ooh, I know this one. That was a TNT chili. I win! Listen, Woodpecker, what will it take to get you to leave me alone?
Cook me up some meatage.
Meet this! Now then, let's get back to Chowtown. For my next dish, I need to chop up some veggies.
Chop, chop, chop.
Then I brush on the marinade.
Brush, brush, brush.
Then I boil them in this pot. Now I just wait until it boils.
Boil, boil, boil.
And then I eat them. This tastes like feet.
Nothing gets past you, ain't right, boy?
Ow! Sorry about all that, folks. Let's get a close-up of this bodaciously bold broccoli. That's too close. Enough! No more close-ups!
Okay, how about an overhead shot? Tonight, I'm gonna make my special crushed wolf with vegetables. Step 1, crush a wolf. Step 2, cook the vegetables. The vegetables are done. Now I can finally cook my food. Woo whoop!
I told you, no meat.
How do you get rid of a wolf? Hey, isn't that Little Red Riding Hood?
What? Where?
Yes! Victory is mine!
Watch me teach this woodpecker a lesson he'll never forget. Mmm, that meat smells delicious. Ow!
You know, I'm beginning to realize that I didn't quite think this through.
You think? Still want to get me to eat meat?
No, I'm good!
You sure?
Positive!
Don't go away. I'll be back soon with another cartoon.
See you again soon, Buzzard.
No way, Bub. I'm rehabilitated. This is the last time you're seeing this mug.
You said that the last 20 times.
Nobody's here to greet me? Come on. Where's everybody going?
Butterscotchy finger pies! Come and get 'em!
Hey, Woodpecker pal. Them butterscotchy finger pies smell great. Give me one.
Got me money? No pay, no pie.
Oh, it's the woodpecker's recipe.
My butterscotchy finger pie recipe. know recipe. Ah, the kitchen sink. Nothing in here. Guess I'll have to make them by memory. I may be a bird brain, but how hard could it be to wing it? Close enough.
One butterscotchy finger pie, please.
Butterscotchy finger pies. Get your butterscotchy finger pies. Fresh and tasty, the way Woody used to make them.
Ooh, I want
Ka-ching!
Hey, this is mine. And this is mine. And this is mine. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Are you ready to rock?
Eat pie, buzzard! Out of pies. Out of supplies. Just gonna borrow a few things. Don't mind me.
My stuff is gone! Where'd all my stuff go?
I got all the pies you can eat.
Ugh, I'm gonna lose my customers and all their sweet, sweet money. I gotta do something. Pies! Get your butterscotchy finger pies! What's this? The food police? Multiple violations? Shut me down? Back to jail?
Package for a rotating resident. Told you you'd be back.
Oh, Woodpecker bird. I know you'd come through. Woodpecker! Woodpecker! It's great to have pals.
Don't go away. I'll be back soon with another cartoon.
Nobody will be catching les bousards now.
The name's Wood. Wood Woodpecker. Super spy. Hey, Winnie Penny.
000. You need to stop Le Buzzard at all costs. He's heading to Tusk Island.
Yep, got it. Read the brief.
He's planning to sell the item he
thanks,
carries
man.
to the villainous Gold
Oh, no!
Tusk.
You're breaking up. Gotta go. Sorry. Later. Think she knows everything.
I'm still here.
Here, there, and always in my heart.
Aw, that's so sweet.
Wood. Wood Woodpecker. Super spy. Tusk Island. Knew it.
Told you so.
I am not taking les visitors today, Woodpecker.
And I'm not taking no for an answer, Lebazard. Super spy! You're headed to lay dead end, Lebazard.
Ah, but am I?
Now what am I gonna do?
Listen, if you had actually read the briefing, you would know that I installed a diamond-headed pecking drill in the Woody sub's nose.
Honestly, I never got past page 1. Maybe you should zhuzh it up with some sound effects.
You want me to add sound effects to a printed-out dossier?
Gotta think big, Win. Wood Woodpecker.
Wood Woodpecker, you will never stop me!
Oh, yes, I will stop me. Wait, that didn't come out right.
So, how's it going?
I can't see when you're floating in front of my...
Oh, sweetie, are you okay?
Woodpecker never loses his cool, even when he's not cool. I am sensing much anger in you, Mr. Robot. Tell me, how does this anger make you feel? Angry, yes, I can imagine. Well, what you need is more iron in your diet. I am sure you'll feel much better. I will send you my bill.
Ooh la la!
It's Lebazard. Oh, Mommy, look at all the pretty stars.
You should change your name to Triple O Loser.
Oh, he's getting away.
Just use the grappling hook pen I put in your ear.
What do you mean you put it in my... Oh, yep, got it. I win!
You are too late, Woodpecker.
Gold Tusk. I knew I smelled something fishy in here.
Ah, my old nemesis 000.
Please, I'll just peck right through these. Unpeckable cables? You're diabolical.
I am not like other bad guys, Mr. Wood. I have a plan.
A dumb plan, no doubt.
You haven't even heard it yet. How can you say it's dumb? Anyway, my amazing and genius plan is as follows. This throne is actually a giant drill which will burrow down into the soil below and eventually hollow out the earth. Then, my wondrous plan will be to flood the hollow space with the oceans, thus creating my own inside-out water world inside this planet, where I will be king!
So, your genius plan is to make the Earth into a giant water balloon? So dumb!
Oh, I think that greatly oversimplifies it. It's a solid plan. Everyone's excited about it, really. Lot of buzz.
And you're okay with this?
I do not care. I'm in this for the money.
Great job, Dumb Tusk. All you did was sink Utopia Island.
I did not anticipate this outcome. Lebazard, I will pay you to swim me to shore.
I have no pride, Tusk. Hop on.
Bad guys. Go figure. Wood Woodpecker. Super spy.
And Winnie Penny.
That's not how it goes.
It should be how
You're
it
just
goes.
the girl on the screen. I'm the hero.
Don't go away. I'll be back soon with another cartoon.
I did not. Oh,
That's weird. Oh, it's freezing up again.
no, now it's boiling. I think the weather must be broken.
Yep, we're going on a trip.
Where are we going?
We're going to file a complaint.
With who? Mother Nature?
Yep.
No way! I'm her biggest fan.
I see you can't do anything without me.
Woody Woodpecker as I live and breathe. How are you, darling?
Better than you. The world's a mess out there, lady.
Yes, I've been having some stuffing issues lately.
That explains a lot.
Oh, it's worse than I thought. I'm sorry, my darlings, but we're gonna have to pull another all-nighter.
Mother Nature, this job is way too stressful. We quit.
Well, that's a bummer. What are you gonna do?
Well, most of the factory is automated, so I only need a few workers.
We'll help you, Mother Nature.
We?
Wally, you're not hiding.
Oh, Mother Nature, I'm a big fan of your work, especially the ocean. Great job there. Listen, would you sign my chest?
Anything for a fan. Follow me. Let's start you off with something simple. You are going to inflate clouds and you will put them in that hole. Remember, 2 clouds in the air are better than 1 in the box.
You know what else is funny? This!
Oh no! You broke the machine!
I can fix it. Scratch that.
Well, boys, how's it? Where is it? Where is it? Stress ball. I think we need to start you on something a little easier. Let's find you something a single-cell organism can do. You simply drag this one down and create beautiful icicles that will be hung as needed.
You can count on us. Ooh, this gives me an idea. I'm a walrus.
I'm a unicorn.
I got horns.
I got ears. Yay.
Oh, I haven't been this stressed out since I created the Ice Age.
You know what, Mother Nature? You need a vacation.
Well, most everything is automated, so as long as you don't touch anything, we should be fine.
Bon voyage! Don't worry about a thing. This is our chance to shine, Wally.
At least there's no Woody Woodpecker here to screw things up for me in Guadalajara. I don't know how, but Woodpecker!
No, not that one.
This one. Uh-oh.
I love sitting on the beach, just listening to the sounds of the ocean.
Oh, it's nice to get away and finally relax. I'm sure the boys have everything well in hand. This can't be a good sign.
Maybe this button. Leave the lever here.
I'm beginning to second-guess my recent decision-making.
Stop it, you idiots!
have never seen so much devastation in just a few hours. Oh no! My last stress ball! Well, boys, I may have finally found a way you can dedicate yourself to the cause. Now that's dedication.
Don't go away. I'll be back soon with another cartoon.
Woody! Do you have a vase for these?
I think there's one in the kitchen. Well, what are they for?
Well, today is Mother's Day.
Mother's Day? No! No! If Winnie meets my mom, she'll dish out all my dirty laundry and learn that I'm an idiot. Can't find a vase. You go look.
Well, this is exactly how I feared I'd find you. Dirty, disheveled, and drooling on the floor. Now get up! You have something on your beak here.
Yes, Mother. Please don't. You don't need to do that. Hey, quit it. I'm a grown woodpecker. What happened? My beak.
Fine. I brought your baby beak.
Huh?
Mom, what are you doing here? I'm surprised you're here, Woodums. You always seem to be on vacation on Mother's Day.
I hate that nickname.
Looks like someone's been hitting the couch instead of the gym. Just saying. What was that?
You're probably tired after your trip and hearing things.
No. My mother knows.
You need a nap. Good night.
What's going on with the bed, Woody?
Who knows? Raccoons or something?
I'm not surprised. I could not find a vase in that cluttered kitchen.
I think I have a vase upstairs. Go upstairs. Stay upstairs.
It's a good thing you're cute.
That bed is unsuitable. I'll sleep upstairs.
Upstairs? No! Excuse me, pardon me, sorry.
You're running up the stairs!
Should have brought a machete. Oh, how sweet. That'll be perfect.
Sorry. Hi.
Is it my imagination, or is Woody crazier today than usual?
Look at this place. You don't have to live like an animal, dear.
But I am an animal, Mom. We all are.
Yes, but we're woodpeckers, not pigs.
Hey, some of my best friends are pigs.
The floor is not a hamper, Woodums. I'm gonna have to launder all of these filthy things.
Laundry room, Winnie. She's not here. Worth it.
Woodums?
Coming, Mother.
Never mix white socks and colored shirts together. You're better than that.
I don't know where you're getting all this laundry from, Ma. I don't even wear clothes. Oh, no. Mom, help! There's a sock over here. And there's another one.
How did I miss that?
Uh-oh. Sock assault.
Here we go.
Well, I couldn't find a vase, so this'll have to do. Woody, why is there a woman in your washer?
Okay, fine. Winnie? That's my mom.
Your mom? Have you lost your mind? How nice to finally meet! These are for you!
Oh, you shouldn't have. By which I mean you should have.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Mom, meet Winnie. Winnie, meet my mom.
I couldn't find a vase in all this mess, but...
This is perfect! I gave this to Woody when he was still wetting his egg. Even after he was potty trained, later than all the other kids, I might add. He never put the seat down! Right! All right. Woodums, stop that, or you'll hurt someone.
Liar mom's always right.